Mark Knight, and we are just about to finish up the New Year's Eve celebrations at Ministry of Sound, and it was amazing. If you weren't there, where the fucking hell were you?
Hi, this is Dave Spoon. We're at Toolroom Knights. It's New Year's Eve and I can't wait. Happy New Year.
Are you ready for the big countdown?
Hi, this is Kim Fai. Just like to wish you all a happy new year. Hope you all had a good one, and hopefully I'll see you next year.
You're just feeling me. I need you. You're just feeling me. I need you.
We're at the back room of the Ministry of Sound 2010. I wish you all Happy New Year.
We're gonna be there for one another. Love will keep us together. The sun will shine in the air. For me and my friends, me and my friends.
3, 2, 1. Hi, this is Mark Knight from Toolroom Knights, wishing everyone a happy new year.